Looking at my Kreg 520 Pro pocket hole jig. Now that's the one with the rotating handle. I'll show you some of the unique features. So the kit comes with a 520 Pro jig, a drill bit, a driver, an adjustable stop collar with the particular wrench that secures that, a small face clamp, which is great when you go to put your face frames together or projects that require clamping, and an assortment of starter screws. To set up and start using your jig, there's just two things to do. Just pinch these gray buttons together and slide it down until it matches the material thickness you're using. 1/2 inch, 3/4, or 1.5 inch are the available settings. Then install the stop collar on your drill bit. Just look through the sight window for the thickness you're after, 3/4 in this case, and tighten that down. Just drop your workpiece down into the jig and tighten up the clamp. Now if you have a wide workpiece, you can always use a scrap as an outrigger support. Or there's a clever slot that can be used with an optional clamp to secure the jig to your workbench. You can twist this knob clockwise to lock it in place, and here's where the rotating handle is so convenient. When I'm working at the bench, I like to have it in this horizontal position. And I'm working with 3/4 inch material today, so I have the setting on the jig as well as the stop collar set for that 3/4 inch mark. When you release the trigger, it just slightly releases it so long as you have this locked. From there, you can just slide it down to your next pocket hole position and start again. Sure makes it easy to drill a lot of pocket holes quickly. And the pistol grip handle on this 520 Pro makes it super easy to add a few more pocket holes if you're working on a project that's already partially assembled. This is my first day using the 520 Pro in the shop, but I've got their R3 Junior pocket hole jig as well as the Kreg Foreman. And on this one, to me, my favorite feature has got to be this pistol grip handle. Makes it really convenient to use in a variety of situations. So if you're looking to do more pocket hole joinery, I think this 520 Pro is perfectly situated between some of the smaller jigs like the Kreg Junior and the full-scale Kreg Foreman that you might use for building a wall of cabinets. But if you just have some projects to do and you want it to be ergonomic and easy to use, this 520 is the one to go with.